Over the years, I've realised that the single biggest cost in dentistry is not things like wages or materials, it's actually unaccepted treatment. So treatment plans that you've developed that never went ahead. And your average practice often has millions of dollars of unaccepted treatment sitting in the basement of their practice management software. And of course, unaccepted treatment not only leads to poorer health outcomes for your patients, but it leads to a lot of frustration on your part as well. We go home, we've had patients rejecting good quality dentistry, asking for significant compromises, and you just think, oh my goodness, it's so frustrating. I'm Dr. Lincoln Harris from Restoring Excellence Academy, and I want to show you how we increase our acceptance rate over the years from sort of 40–50% to well over 90%. Even for really complex and expensive dentistry in a rural area with high unemployment. I want to show you how we helped our patients get healthier, better outcomes so they themselves got less frustrated from things failing. And how we helped them achieve a healthier, more stable, more comfortable mouths that give them less trouble. In our 6-hour online lecture covering communication, we'll talk to you and show you ways to overcome those fears of talking about cost, to overcome the projection of our own bias onto the patient, to overcome the ways in which we feel frustrated when a patient chooses to do something that we're not really okay with. How to be more relaxed. Okay, and to not get so uptight and stressed about what the patient is choosing to do, which you can't control anyway. And then how to understand the patient and to listen to them and to more fully understand their values so that your treatment acceptance goes up. And then the key change that I made, which really drove a massive increase in acceptance, a massive decrease in patients leaving practice, and a big decrease in people going somewhere else for a second opinion. Around this video there's a link, and you can click on that and you'll be able to get access to a sample video so that you can kind of see the direction that we're going, and you'll get more information about this 6-hour lecture. If all you got out of it was one patient choosing to do a better treatment, say a crown instead of a filling once a month, it's going to be well and truly paid for in no time at all. Once you join the lecture, you get access you get 6 hours of CPD, you get access for 12 months, you can watch it as many times as you want, because often these sort of messages are quite deep and complex, and the first time you hear it you don't absorb everything. And I look forward to helping you reduce your stress, get better treatment acceptance, and help your patients be healthier.